Hello, this is Jedi Miner 37. This is my 1963 C10 long bed step side, and this is kind of an update video I wanted to do. It's been a while since I've been able to come see the truck or work on it, and yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a bit of progress. We've managed to do like 2 days, 2 days of work on this thing, and one of the reasons why it wasn't working, that wire right there, we found it, got the end attached to it, and now the electrics want to work again. And the engine did crank earlier, but now it doesn't want to crank. I can still try to make that, I'll still try to crank it just to see if anybody knows what may be the problem with it. This is my first car working on by myself. Well, I still have people that are helping me, but really, like, I'm leading it, I guess. And I don't really know half the stuff because, well, it's my first truck. I've never seen this before. And I'm happy to learn new things along the way as well. This radiator, I'm going to be replacing it. So if anybody knows any good, I guess, sites for a radiator that will fit, along with some new hoses, as you can see, it's not looking too well. Same thing with the bottom hose. I don't know, I'm guessing that these are the heater core hoses, but it just loops around and then it comes back here. So I mean, there's no heater core. I found the parts, some of them at least. It's missing a lot of the bolts. So if anybody knows another site for that, I'd be grateful. However, some of the things I did do were find all the spare parts I can find that were in the truck's bed as I cleaned it out. It's a lot of dirt that was just in it. A lot of it was swept out and to the outside. There's a dead animal that was in the back. That wasn't so nice to clean up, but it had to be done. So here's the old carpet. No idea what this was from, but it looks like it was a rubber hose and it is solid as a rock. And here's one of the wiper blades. So haven't found another one yet, but at least I know what to look for. There's the gas pedal. Don't know if I need to get a new one or just find some replacement parts for that one. Here's the old nasty seat that was in there. I kind of want to get like a bench seat that's like a seat, like a center console, and then another seat, just because I don't really have any people that I really want there to be, 3 people in the same truck. And I kind of want to be a comfy ride. Plus the middle seat's like right in front of the transmission, so not exactly a comfortable spot to be in. Now, I would understand if it was like 3 on the tree, it's on the steering column, but mine's literally on the floor, right where the person's leg would be. So, yeah. These 2 tires are the tires that were on the truck. I removed the front 2 so that way we can lift it up. And then this one was in the back of the bed. And then this one right here was also in the back. I'm going to try to see if I can get new tires. I know people are going to tell me to get, used tires, but here where this truck's at and anywhere around here, used tires are hard to come by. And so it's better to just get new, especially considering that I'm going to be working on it. And let's just say that really needs to be replaced anyway. But yeah, so that's all the outside stuff. I have the screwdriver in my pocket, so let's show you guys. how bad of an interior we have. There's some rust holes all along over there on that side. If I open the door, there'd be a bunch of rust holes. In the doors themselves. I mean, it's just everywhere. So my plans are... My plans are to send this cab into an auto body shop to see if I can get some replacement floor pans and get that welded on, and basically just remove all the rust. I mean, honestly, if they just cover it in primer so that way it's got protection, I'd be all right with that once they finish doing any of the weld work. But so yeah, this isn't the original radio, but it's an aftermarket one. I'm going to try to see if I can get one that's like this size but has a Bluetooth function along with the FM AM, you know, because I have Spotify. I can just play pretty much whatever song I want on my phone. Yeah, I just learned that this is the cigarette lighter right here. If you just pull it out, yeah. So that was cool to learn about. Ashtray, clean that out. Some of these don't want to move, but I'm guessing that's for the heater core, AC element. I don't know. This truck didn't have AC or anything that was like a compressor, so I think that that's just for the heater core. But if we just turn that on, radio comes to life. Now, I don't think it wants to work, but yeah. Didn't. Yeah, no sound coming through. Yeah, nothing. But here's the real kicker. There we go. Sweet. All right. And if we were to go outside, we got the blinkers to work. And we go ahead and do it the other way. We have this side to work. And in the back, it's not too bright. Oh wait. So, yeah, blinkers work. But my favorite part about getting this whole thing, hold on. Favorite part in a bit. But I think if I pull that out, now I gotta pull it out once more. Okay. Oh yeah, the little Chevrolet light comes on. Wonder why it's not doing it this time. Huh. Don't know why, but I guess those are parking lights, but the lights from the actual headlights don't want to come on. So there's that. Yeah, if I do this, the horn works, which is my favorite part about getting all this electrical stuff to work, is that the horn goes. I mean, that's, I don't know about other people, but I just find that super satisfying to just see. But I mean, yeah, that's all I have for my update, I guess. But oh, yep, okay, I didn't do it right. All right, so yeah, those lights also work. I cleaned around the chrome, so it looks nice. But yeah, there we go. All right, now it doesn't want to crank over, but if one of you guys can diagnose what's causing this, that'd be great. All right, so I've got the thing in the ignition. All right. So that's the sound it makes. I have another video that it's like 20 seconds long when we first tried to fire it up, but yeah, that's the only video I have of it actually trying to go zzz. And yeah, so thank you guys for keeping along, supporting me and my progress on how to fix this. But I'm debating for the original color. I see it. It's a crystal turquoise. You can see it all along. This might not be red anymore once I'm finished with it. I'm thinking about crystal turquoise. I want to keep the black accent, but I want to do a chrome, like on the little, I guess, fastener for the light bulb, light housing, just to offset that black grill. And yeah, I want to paint the engine bay black, and I kind of want to paint the engine blue. But yeah, that's all my plans. Again, thank you for watching, and if any of you guys have any advice or problems that you've seen that I didn't see while I was filming this, please say something. I appreciate all the help, and yeah, just thank you guys for all your love and support. Goodbye. Yep. Oh. Do some more. Come on, do it again. Do it again? Yeah. Longer. She wants to run.